So one of the, shall we say, nuances of this van, the temperature gauge never moves. Even drove it an hour home, temperature gauge never moved at all. See that little tickle it did there? That's it. That's all she got. Now that signal comes from right here by the thermostat. And I've unplugged it, pulled the wire back up top. I'm gonna plug it into this spare thermostat. It's just been sitting here on the warm engine for 20 minutes or more. And if your engine's not warm enough for that, don't be afraid to get creative. The sensor's right there, that brass guy. So I'm gonna hold it like this, put a little heat to it. That ought to make it good and hot. Oh, so we know for sure it is just a sensor problem, not a van wiring problem or ECM issue. Just got to replace that sensor. So we'll let a little bit of water out of the coolant here. We'll siphon it out into a clean jug so we can put it back and pull that ring off, replace the sensor, and put it all back together. And there's just no way I can get a camera in there so you can see what I'm doing while I'm doing it. So I'll try to take it step by step. See this clip right here? Now, I don't believe that clip needs to come all the way out. Oil cap is on tight, so we're not going to get any coolant into the motor oil, and nothing else is open here. Why? Once that's out, it's just this O-ring holding it in there. That should wiggle out. Aha, here we go. Ah, nuts. There it went. It just started to break. And looks like I got some cleaning up to do. For one, the O-ring didn't come out. But finally found a use for this big slide hammer wrench. Pliers, whatever. Don't want to contaminate the antifreeze with anything I'd be putting on here, so put it in there dry. Yeah, really gonna have to push it in there to get that clip on. Push the sensor in with one hand while I push the clip on with the other. Barely working, I'd say. There we go. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical wire. Okay.